Welcome to English Speakcast.
Good morning, Nina.
Oh, good morning, Kevin. It's so cold today.
Yes, very cold. Winter is coming fast this year.
I know. Last week was warm, but today, wow, it feels like real winter.
The weather changed so quickly.
Yes, it did. My hands are freezing.
Same here. I can see your breath in the air.
Winter arrived early, I think.
Do you remember last year? Winter came slowly.
Yes, we had many cool days before the big cold. But this year, no warning.
Exactly. Yesterday was normal. Today we need jackets, scarves, everything.
I woke up and I said, "Oh no, it's winter already."
Same for me.
Actually, I have a small problem at home.
Oh, what problem?
My heater is not working well. It turns on and then it turns off again.
That's not good in winter.
I know. Last night my house was so cold.
Did you call someone to fix it?
Not yet. Maybe today I will call.
Yes, that's a good idea. Winter is just starting.
I hope they can fix it quickly.
Until then, you can try some simple things.
Like what?
Close all windows tightly. Sometimes cold air comes in.
Yes, I will check them.
Also, put a towel at the bottom of your door. It stops the cold wind.
Oh, I didn't know that. I will try it.
And wear layers. 2 or 3 thin shirts are warmer than 1 thick sweater.
Really? I always wear just one big sweater.
Try many layers. It keeps the heat inside.
Okay, thank you for the tips.
No problem. Winter can be cold, but we can stay warm.
Winter makes me hungry.
Me too. Cold weather and hot food are best friends.
Yes, I love soup in winter.
Same. Hot soup makes everything better.
My favorite is chicken soup. What about you?
I like vegetable soup and also hot noodles.
Oh, yes. Noodles in winter taste amazing.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, not every day, but winter food is easy.
My family makes hot chocolate in winter.
That sounds nice. Hot chocolate is perfect in cold weather.
Yes, it warms the heart.
In winter, I like to stay inside more.
Me too. I watch movies under a blanket.
That sounds cozy.
Do you do anything special in winter?
I drink warm tea every night, and I sleep early.
Good habits. Winter nights are long.
Yes, and the mornings are dark.
I know. Today I woke up and thought it was still night.
Same. I looked outside and said, "Where is the sun?"
Winter reminds me of my childhood.
Really? How?
When I was a kid, we played outside in the cold. We made small snowballs, even when there wasn't much snow.
That sounds fun.
Yes. After playing, my mom gave me a warm drink.
Aw, that's sweet.
What about you? Any winter memories?
Yes. When I was young, I sat near the heater with my grandmother. We talked for hours.
That sounds very warm and happy.
Yes, it was. I miss those days.
Winter brings old memories back.
True. Winter feels quiet, like thinking time.
Speaking of winter, do you want to try my hot chocolate someday?
Really? Yes, I would love that.
Great. Maybe this weekend?
Yes, weekend is perfect. I will bring cookies.
Nice. Hot chocolate and cookies. That's a good winter plan.
Yes, very good.
Okay, Nina, I should go now.
Yes, me too. I need to call the heater repairman.
I hope they fix it soon.
Thank you, Kevin, and thank you for the warm tips.
Anytime. Stay warm today.
You too. See you later.
See you.